Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login Plugin, to configure Meetup app. On WordPress dashboard, go on Mini Orange Social Login Plugin. Click on Meetup. We will go through this instruction in this video. Go on Meetup developer link. Give an appropriate app name in consumer field. Next, enter your application website. Scroll down. Get your redirect URL form instruction. Copy it and paste it in that field. The below option select as per your requirement. Scroll down. Give use case description about your app. Enter contact name and contact email. Check agree to terms and condition and click on register consumer. Here you will get your key and secret. Copy your key and paste it in app ID field. Unlock secret key and copy it and paste it in app secret. Now save it. Click on Test Configuration. User attribute of Meetup app will get display here. Now go to Meetup icon. Here you will get an option to enable and disable icon. Open new tab, go on Login page. On Login form, click on Meetup icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using Meetup attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.